Welcome back to another episode of Talespinner at Home. I'm Miss Asia, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make puppets. We're going to learn how to make two different types of puppets. The first puppet we're going to learn how to make is a popsicle puppet, and the second puppet is a finger puppet. Now, these puppets are going to be nice and simple. You can use anything that you have around the house to make them or make something similar. It's entirely up to you. Just be as creative as you can. Okay, let's check it out. Okay, first we're going to start off with our stick puppet. So you are going to need a wooden popsicle stick, a foamy or a piece of paper, or honestly anything that you can find around the house that you can draw on, add some rhinestones, buttons, pom-poms, whatever you can think of. And you can cut it into any shape that you want. I just chose a circle because I like circles. And you're gonna glue those two things together with a glue stick, some regular glue. If your parents, if you're around to help, a hot glue gun. And you should have this. So let's start decorating. So as I said before, you can use anything you want to decorate your puppets. I'm going to be using some googly eyes, some rhinestones, and some pom-poms, and maybe a feather or two. You can use crayons, markers, whatever you think your puppet needs that's going to make it look as awesome as it can be. I'm just going to stick those on here. And I think I'm going to use a highlighter to draw the mouth. And voila, you have a popsicle puppet. Now we're going to move on to our finger puppet. So you want to get a piece of foam, just a blank piece of foam, and you're going to fold it in half, and you're going to take some scissors and cut right along the crease here. I made a slight cut already, as you can see, towards the bottom, and you stick your finger right underneath and slide it on, and boom, that's how you make the puppet. And you decorate the same exact way we decorated our popsicle puppet. So you can add rhinestones, pom-poms, feathers, flowers. I have some jingle bells over to the side that I might add later. It's entirely up to you and your little ones. Here's the final results. Don't forget while creating your puppets to think about the actor's tools that we learned in a prior video. Remember, the actor uses their voice, body, and imagination. So think about how your puppet's voice might sound, how it might move around, and the many adventures or the story that your puppet can tell. Also, remember to have fun. And don't be afraid to give your puppet a name. Thanks so much for watching, friends. Remember, if you have anything that you would like to share with us, some photos of the activities that you did, or just any fun times that you have with Talespinners in general, remember you can email us at talespinner@home@gmail.com. See you next time. Bye.